Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 247 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the AOA Studio Starlet Liquid Eyeliner that I got from ShopMissA. So this was $1, it's cruelty free, it's paraben free, and I have it today in the shade Hollywood. But it comes in 6 different colors. They're all like really pretty, colorful shades. I don't want to have high expectations for this, but I kind of do because I've been really loving the brand AOA Studio. They continue to impress me with their $1 makeup products, and I've also had really great luck trying out colorful liquid eyeliners from ShopMissA, like the teal glitter liquid eyeliner. I love that one so much. If you haven't seen my video on that, I'll link it down below if you want to see it. And this does have pretty high rating. So let's get into it. Let's go ahead and see how it swatches and what the applicator is like. Oh yes, we have a very pointy brush applicator, which I really like for liquid eyeliners. Yes, I'm able to draw a very precise thin line, but there was not much pigment on that first brush. Ooh. I mean, as I'm going over it, I'm kind of able to build up some color. Not super pigmented or bright. I do really like the metallic sheen that it has to it though. Let's just go ahead and apply it to my upper lash line. I'm just not really loving this brush because it's not holding that much product on it. I keep having to dip back into the bottle, and so that's also causing it to not apply super evenly. Okay. So now that I've applied it and I was kind of able to achieve a little bit of a wing, this is not bad at all. It actually has very beautiful color. It actually applied pretty quickly and easily, aside from the fact of just having to dip that brush applicator back in probably like 4 or 5 times to achieve this look here. But it has really pretty shine, and I was able to get a pretty thin, accurate line in a relatively quick and easy way. Let's see if it smudges. Yeah, I'm not having smudging. It's not wearing away. So for a $1 colorful liquid eyeliner, I am definitely happy with this. I think that the color is pretty, the application is nice, and the formula is really great too. So I think that this looks really nice as a fun pop of color to use as a liquid eyeliner on top, but you could also use this to incorporate into an eyeshadow look, to draw lines or draw in some metallic shine to any part of the eyelid. So I think that this is very versatile. For $1, I definitely am happy that I have this in my makeup collection now, and it's definitely something I'm going to reach for when I want that pop of color or for going out and I want to try like a fun purple makeup look. I think that this will be really fun for Halloween, going out to Halloween parties. That's what this is really reminding me of, and what I'm definitely going to get some use out of this for. So I think if you're looking for a purple liquid eyeliner, this is your go-to. It's inexpensive, but a great formula. And if you're at all like me, I don't think that a purple eyeliner is an everyday product. So I don't think it's worth spending that high-end price point for a purple eyeliner when this $1 one is perfectly great and you'll be able to get good use out of it, and you don't have to waste money on a product that you won't use super often, if you know what I mean. But this does come in some other more wearable shades, like a black, a bronze, a white. So I would be interested to pick this up in one of those more wearable colors too, especially to get that metallic sheen that this has. I think that's a really nice twist on a liquid eyeliner. Yay, so another great AOA Studio makeup product and another great eyeliner from ShopMissA. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.